Discover generative AI and AI tools. In this lesson, you'll continue exploring how AI tools work and the role of AI models trained on data. You'll learn more about generative AI for creating new content and AI tools that understand natural language. Then, you'll experience an AI tool firsthand as you consider creative ways to apply it in your practice. Get ready to unlock the potential of AI for education. Generative AI and its applications. AI tools can appear seamless and intuitive, but behind the scenes are powerful models at work. To better understand the relationship between AI tools and their models, take a peek under the hood. Picture AI tools as the user-friendly dashboard of a car. While the dashboard displays information and allows you to give basic commands, the car's true power comes from its complex engine and intricate network of parts. Similarly, AI models are the hidden engines that power these tools, performing the complex calculations that underlie their functionality. In other words, the AI tool is the interface, enabling you to provide prompts and instructions. This information is then relayed to the powerful AI model, the engine, which does the heavy lifting and generates the response. When developing AI models, the training process involves 6 steps. Define the problem. AI designers have a goal in mind. Consider AI's capabilities and limitations, and identify a solution. Collect the data. Designers collect relevant data with which to train the model. Prepare the data. The data is prepared for training. This includes filling in missing data or removing biased data that might mislead a model. Train the model. The model learns patterns in the training dataset and makes successful predictions over time. Evaluate the model. Performance is assessed to ensure accurate predictions will be made outside of the training environment. Deploy the model. Finally, once the model is performing well, it's deployed within an AI tool. Training an AI model is an iterative process that involves repeated adjustments until a reliable tool is achieved. Now that you understand more about how models make AI tools possible, it's time to delve into AI tools. You've learned that conversational AI is a type of AI that can understand human language requests and generate responses in a meaningful way. Conversational AI tools are useful because they understand natural language, the way people talk or write when communicating with each other. This means they can process human language requests and generate responses in a meaningful way, respond to common conversational cues, interpret certain colloquialisms, adapt to particular conversational contexts, and engage in natural conversations. However, note that AI may encounter problems when trying to understand more complex aspects of human language, such as emotions, cultural references and nuances, and sarcasm and irony. Many conversational AI tools are based on large language models, LLMs. These are AI models trained on large amounts of text, which enables them to identify patterns between words, concepts, and phrases in order to generate effective responses to prompts. LLMs work by predicting the next most likely word or words in a sequence, using context clues. If you type in a prompt field, debate the pros and cons of. Depending on what the LLM has learned from your search history, some predictions could be cat versus dogs, tennis versus pickleball, TV shows versus movies. Understanding how LLMs predict word sequences will help you navigate conversational AI tools more effectively, because you can adjust your prompts to get the most relevant responses. Now that you've learned about LLMs, it's time to witness one in action. Here's an example using Gemini. This prompt asks for a simple explanation of GenAI for middle school teachers that includes relatable music analogies. Then, Gemini generates an output fulfilling the request. Check out the response. As you continue using AI tools for education, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's possible for these tools to arrive at incorrect answers to math problems, to attribute quotes or work to the wrong person, and to provide erroneous information, especially about recent events, as there's not enough training data available yet. Likewise, different AI tools have different functionalities. Therefore, they will respond to prompts in their own unique ways. As these tools improve, they should produce stronger results over time. Continue practicing writing and refining your instructions in order to translate them into creative and helpful outputs. Remember, there's no substitute for the human touch, so always use your expert eye to ensure the results are effective and appropriate. Here's a quick activity to review a key concept from this lesson. In this lesson, you practiced using an AI tool. Now, follow the same steps on your own to create an icebreaker. Perhaps you're starting a new club, forming small teams for a long-term project, or starting a sports season.